Please subscribe my channel.
There are more electric cars on the roads than ever before, which is great for our planet and reducing pollution in UK towns and cities. But it's also vital that we learn what to look out for when crossing roads with more electric cars on them. Which is why Zen Auto have teamed up with the UK's largest road safety charity Brake to create the Green Car Cross Code. And it's based on the road safety advice we've all learnt already, so it's super easy to remember. Right, let's try it, shall we? But wait, there's something missing. Right, let's do this, shall we, guys? The Green Car Cross Code. Stop. First, find the safest place to cross. Make sure it's clear from any vehicles or charging points that might obstruct you. Stand on the pavement near the curb. Use your eyes and ears. Look all around for traffic and listen extra carefully for electric vehicles, which can be very quiet or sometimes don't even sound like a car at all. Wait until it's safe to cross. If traffic is coming, let it pass. Look and listen again. Keep your eyes and ears on the road and be extra careful because electric vehicles may accelerate faster. Cross. When it's safe, go straight across the road. Do not run or walk diagonally. Get across safely and always follow the Green Car Cross Code. Now you can practice the Green Car Cross Code at home with your grown-ups or at school with your teachers, or take the quiz here at zen.auto. Thanks for watching, see you soon and stay safe everybody.